In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assets in Freshbooks. Whether you're managing financial records for a small business or simply organizing your personal accounts, learning to efficiently add assets is invaluable for accurate and effective accounting. So, let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. To begin, we're going to navigate to the Accounting section, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This navigation bar is your best friend when exploring Freshbooks, as it gives you streamlined access to all your financial tools and resources. Now, once you've clicked there, you'll see various sub-tabs appear. From these options, you'll need to select Chart of Accounts. This section is where you can view and manage all your accounts in one handy place. Next, we'll tap into some additional functionality by clicking on More Actions. This button is a gateway to further drop-down options, and today our focus will be on selecting Add New Account. By doing this, you're preparing to create a new asset account in your Freshbooks lineup, which will help you track your business's belongings efficiently. Now, upon selecting to add a new account, you'll encounter a wealth of choices under the Account Type menu. Since we're discussing assets, go ahead and choose Asset. This defines the nature of the account you are creating, ensuring that it integrates correctly within your broader financial strategy. Following that, you'll want to specify the account subtype. Here, Freshbooks makes it easy to categorize your new asset by offering options like property, plant, and equipment, among other specific asset types. Ultimately, the subtype you choose should best fit the kind of asset you're tracking, so consider your needs carefully at this stage. Let's move forward to the labeling part. It's time to enter a unique account name. This name should represent the asset clearly and distinguish it from any others you may have. Adding an account number can be optional, but it might be worthwhile if you have multiple similar assets or need a robust tracking system. Additionally, incorporating a short description can provide valuable context, making future referencing much easier. Lastly, double-check that all your details are correct and hit Save. This will officially create your new account, and your asset will now be reflected in the chart of accounts. Each time you access Freshbooks, you'll find this asset right where it should be, ready to aid in your meticulous financial management. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to manage your assets confidently in Freshbooks. Thank you for trusting this process, and I encourage you to explore further features in Freshbooks to gain even more control over your business.